Okay, my children, how are you this morning? Are you fine today? Okay, good, nice. Thanks of God. Okay, my children, I always pray for you that you are in this good condition. Okay, my children, welcome back to me in English lesson with me, Mrs. Rena. Okay, my children, did you remember about the last lesson? Okay, good. The last lesson is connected this my lesson will I give you. Okay, about obligation too. But today this is obligation negative because yesterday is positive obligation. However, today is obligation negative. Okay, got it? Okay, I ask you, what the differences between must not and don't have to? Is this the same meaning? Okay, your answer will serve the next video. Okay, wait. Okay, look. Here dia. This is a picture, my student. Did you remember that is must and have to? Okay, must is for yourself, from ourselves, and have to from the outside. Okay, or maybe the other people and so on, but not from yourself. Remember that? This is the last lesson. Okay, but now we have to use must and don't have to, right? Must not are omission from must plus to. Okay, and have to become don't have to. Okay, my student. Okay, do you understand? Are you still confusing? Okay, I can explain you little by little. Okay, remember that you my student, must itu kan harus, ya kan? Have to juga the same meaning harus. Jadi must and have to the same meaning harus. Itu bila obligasinya adalah positif. Right? But how about mustn't or must not and don't have to? It is the same meaning? Apakah itu artinya sama? Oke, sabar ya. Oke, kita lihat keterangan selanjutnya. Okay, good. This is versus what is the differences mustn't and don't have? Is this the same meaning? Okay, my question is. And then the last my lesson, please answer my question. Okay, I wait your answer. Right. Okay, my children, I explain you. Must not or mustn't, this is a prohibition. And don't have to, it is not necessary. What is prohibition? Must not is prohibition adalah larangan. And don't have to, tidak harus, tidak diperlukan. This is option, itu tidak harus dilakukan. Okay ya, look the picture. Maybe this is in the hospital and the nurse say, you mustn't get up. You mustn't get up. Itu kamu nggak boleh bangun. The nurse warn you and melarang kamu. Jadi perawatnya melarang kamu nggak boleh bangun. And then the in the next picture, you don't have to get up. Kamu nggak apa-apa, kamu nggak harus bangun, ya. Karena apa? Mau makan. Tapi kamu nggak harusnya kan kamu bangun kalau makan. Tapi di sini kamu tidak harus bangun karena kamu dalam kondisi sakit seperti itu. Oke, jelas? Jadi must di sini artinya tidak harus tapi larangan. Sementara don't have to artinya tidak merupakan keharusan. Jadi bisa merupakan pilihan. Kamu bisa melakukan itu bila kamu menginginkannya. Oke, my student. Okay, let's continue to know that. Okay, one by one I explain you using must. Must, mustn't from must not. Okay, we always use mustn't, not must not. Okay, right? Remember, mustn't, not must not. Must not or mustn't express is prohibited or is not allowed. Jadi mustn't itu mengekspresikan apa, menerangkan apa, suatu larangan. It is not allowed, ya, tidak diperbolehkan. Oke, tidak diizinkan seperti itu. Artinya apa? It's mean you do not do something. Artinya kamu nggak harus melakukan itu, atau kamu tidak boleh melakukan itu. Okay, for example, you mustn't drink that. Kamu mungkin sakit, batuk, terus ada es. Kamu tidak boleh minum, sekalipun biasanya kamu boleh minum itu. Tapi dalam kondisi ini, you mustn't drink that. This is forbidden to drink that. Jadi larangan kamu minum itu. Why? Because if you drink it, ya, this very dangerous for you. Ya, itu bahaya buat kamu, dan you not good wealthy, dan kamu tidak bisa sehat-sehat seperti itu. Oke, jelas anak-anak? It is must. Oke. Next, how about have not? Or don't have. Okay. Look. Don't have from have to. Jadi kalian tidak boleh have to menjadi haven't to. Kalian tidak boleh gunakan itu sebagai verb become don't have to. Okay, let's read together. Don't have to express that there is no obligation or necessity. Jadi don't have to itu digunakan untuk sesuatu kewajiban yang tidak harus dilakukan. Ya, jadi no obligation, kewajiban yang tidak harus kamu lakukan. It mean doing something is not necessary. Itu dilakukan. Ya, it mean doing something itu dilakukan. Ya, itu tadi, kamu tidak harus melakukannya itu bila itu diperlukan, dan itu memang tidak diperlukan, depend on you. Jadi masih option, masih pilihan. Misalnya don't have to express something is not required. Jadi don't have to tadi itu maksudnya sesuatu yang tidak dikewajibankan seperti itu. However, akan tetapi, if the person may choose to do that or to do so he or she want. Jadi, tapi boleh itu terjadi kamu lakukan bila kamu ingin. Oke, misalnya di sini, for example, I don't have study for the university exam. Saya tidak harus belajar ke universitas. Saya tidak harus mengikuti ujian di situ, mengikuti ujian di suatu universitas. Because I have already graduated from one. Karena saya harus karena saya sudah lulus. Saya sudah lulus dari ujian mungkin di sekolah yang lain atau di universitas lain. Jadi kamu nggak perlu ujian lagi. Mungkin intinya gini, kamu mau masuk ke universitas, tapi kamu yang universitas ini sudah lulus, maka kamu tidak perlu belajar di universitas yang lain karena kamu sudah sudah lulus di tempat satunya. Oke, anak-anak, seperti itu. Oke, you got it? Are you still confusing? Okay, let's get full of information. Don't have and must not. Okay, let's continue. Nah, okay, this is a completely of information must and have to, but this is negative, become mustn't and don't have. I said that mustn't is this a negative obligation or it is not a law. Jadi larangan. Like he must be a thief to get money. Kamu tidak boleh, ya, bukan tidak harus. Ya, tadi kan tidak, must artinya yang jelas itu kesimpulannya must itu bukan artinya tidak harus, sekalipun di positif itu nanti harus, tapi di negatif artinya larangan, tidak boleh, don't like that. He mustn't be a thief to get money. Kamu tidak boleh menjadi pencuri untuk mendapatkan uang. Oke, kamu tidak boleh terlambat untuk ke sekolah, jadi kamu tidak boleh. Ya, kamu tidak boleh merokok. You mustn't smoke in the building. Kamu tidak boleh merokok di gedung itu. You mustn't talk while the teacher is teaching. Kamu tidak boleh berbicara saat guru sedang mengajar. Okay, you got it? About my explanation about mustn't or must not. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, next, how about don't have to? Don't have to, maybe have to is dulu harus. How about don't have to? Apakah itu tidak harus? Okay, let's check the explanation. Don't have to, no obligation or no requirement. Jadi tidak suatu kewajiban, tidak suatu keharusan. You want to do, it is necessary. Kamu boleh melakukan itu, tetapi itu tidak perlu amat, tidak harus. So, you are not request to do if you don't want. Ya, kamu nggak perlu lakukan itu bila kamu tidak ingin. Jelas ya? Jadi masih sebuah pilihan. Kamu boleh melakukan itu atau boleh atau tidak, terserah. Misalnya, you don't have to drive me home, but you can if you want. Kamu tidak harus mengantarkan saya, ya, tetapi bila kamu mau, okelah, seperti itu. Maka walaupun di sini harus, di sini negatif, tidak harus, tapi tidak memaksa kalau dia itu mengantar kamu. Jelas anak-anak? Oke, next. Jane doesn't have to finish her homework tonight. Ya, because her school is closed tomorrow. Jadi Jane tidak harus menyelesaikan homework nanti malam. Why? Because her school is closed. Jadi kalau sekolahannya besok libur istilahnya di sini, ya malam ini nggak apa-apa, nggak mengerjakan PR seperti itu. Tapi apakah Jane boleh mengerjakan PR malam itu sekalipun besok libur? Boleh, karena itu pilihan Jane. Terserah Jane mau mengerjakan atau tidak. Maka di sini Jane doesn't have. Jane tidak harus mengerjakan PR itu. Ya, karena besok libur seperti itu. Apakah Jane boleh? Boleh. Oke, understand? You get it? Okay, thank you. Okay, now from this page we focus of Jane. Look, jadi kita lihat Jane here does not have or doesn't have, but you don't have. This is a different of why Jane don't have. Why Jane doesn't have. Okay, let's check together next page. Okay, my student. So I explain you about use of how you use don't or doesn't. Okay, don't, you can using don't have. Okay, if the subject I, we, you, they, and you. Okay, and you use does if the subject he or she. This is the differences of don't and doesn't. Okay, remember that. Okay, good. May I continue my explanation? Okay, right. Okay, my student, like usually, okay, my last lesson I have to give you a practice, but the practice we do together, right? I help you to do that. Okay, number one, you blah 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 still the grass. You step the grass. Yeah, you have to fill it using mustn't or don't have. Because why not does? Because all of the subject you. Jadi kamu nggak usah bingung apakah mau does atau mau do, tapi yang jelas di sini subjeknya adalah you, maka kamu tidak usah memberikan does, tapi gunakan dengan don't. Oke ya. Oke, from number one, you step the grass. What the meaning at? Kamu bla 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 menginjak rumput. Saya tanya, itu larangan atau ketidakharusan? Oke, larangan, ya betul. Kamu dilarang gitu kan menginjak rumput. Nah, sekarang number 2. You come to the party. Kamu bla 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 datang ke pesta. Itu larangan atau option atau pilihan? Oke, good, option. Jadi kalau option tadi menggunakan apa? Ayo, option menggunakan apa tadi? Oke, don't have. Yes. You don't have come to the party. Kamu tidak harus datang ke pesta itu. Kamu nggak harus, nggak apa-apa, nggak datang kalau kamu sibuk seperti itu. Kalau lanjutannya. Oke, and then number 3, you tell them. Kamu nggak harus kamu bla 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 bercerita atau menceritakan hal apapun gitu. Ini kira-kira keharusan atau option? Oke, good, option. Maka gunakan dengan don't have. Okay, right. Number 4. You smoke here. Kamu titik-titik merokok di sini. Nah, kamu pasti tahu ini. Kalau salah ini kebangetan ini di sini number 4. Okay. Yes, good. You must smoke here. And then the last number, you talk while the teacher is teaching. Kamu titik-titik berbicara ketika guru mengajar. Okay. Can you answer? Okay. Ini pilihan atau keharusan? Larangan atau pilihan? Larangan. Oke, kalau larangan menggunakan apa? Mustn't. Yes, good. You mustn't talk while the teacher is teaching. Okay, very easy. Okay, good. My student is great. My student are good and are clever, of course. Okay, in the last practice 2. Okay, I cannot help you to do this video because practice 2 you have to do that in the Google Classroom. You write down and then you fill. This is the instruction using mustn't, doesn't, don't. This is completely. You have to fill it. Okay. I hope you can do it well and I hope your mark is perfect. Okay, because you are my student, all of wherever you are my student, you are the best. Okay. Any question? Okay. If you any question, okay, you can write the question in the comment below the video. Okay, right. Okay, my student, the end of my lesson. That's all for you. Okay, that's all, and I hope this video is useful for you and you can learn from my video. Okay, right. Before I closing my lesson, I give little summaries from my lesson today. Okay, today we studied about obligation, negative obligation, must not or mustn't, and don't have. Okay, what is the differences of them? Mustn't is used for prohibition. Jadi must not or mustn't digunakan untuk suatu larangan. And don't have to is used for not obligation if necessary. Jadi suatu kewajiban yang tidak harus kamu lakukan, tidak perlu kamu lakukan. This is still there is option. Okay, right? You got it? Okay, my student, that's all, and I hope you be still study. Please practice harder and harder, and have a nice day, have a great day, be safety and be healthy. Okay, my student, see you next video and goodbye.